First time out here with two other people. It's pretty awesome. It's all right, we got it. There we go. Hey, what's going on, folks? PK here. I hope the wide angle lens can fit all three of us in there. But I'm here with Luis on my left and Brian on my right. And I posted a video on my channel about asking people to come out with me. So thank you guys for coming out.
Sure. Thanks for putting this together. Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So we're gonna, like I said, we're here at Depot Bay. So we're just gonna go out and try to catch rockfish. The swell's really low, and it's low tide right now, but it's coming up. So yeah, let's not waste time. Let's get out there, huh?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Let's get going. Got my radio.
Do we all have to say
Depot Bay, sport boats,
Nope.
departing.
I will call out for all three of us. Depot Bay, 3 kayaks outbound. Depot Bay, 3 kayaks outbound. So the most important thing is watch out for the wakes. What's weird is the swells are nothing to worry about, but it's the boat wakes that are more dangerous because they're sharper. When it's slow here, we'll go over there and then we'll just hop around and try to find them, okay? Yep. All right. We're about 39 foot of water. Do you guys have you don't have GPS or depth finder?
I didn't bring mine.
Okay, I'm gonna go over here and lock it, and I'm gonna go over here and spot lock and try a couple casts. So what do you think?
Awesome.
So, Luis, is this your first time out of the ocean?
Yeah.
Oh, right on. There we go, fish on. Oh. Yep. What the heck? Oh, keeper. First fish, guys. Woo! There we go. About 1.5 pounds. I am on the board. Yeah, there we go, guys. I would say about close to a 2-pounder right there. Sweet. Black rockfish. Let's bleed him. There we go.
Tribute is outbound Depot Bay.
I'm marking them right about here. I'm marking the fish right over here.
Drop it until it hits bottom and then pull it up a little bit? Or?
Yeah, I let it hit bottom and then I crank it about 2 times and it's jig. Nice! Everyone is on, man. Whoa! Look at that!
Now, cabbies over down or not?
Yeah, they are.
Oh, it's a big. I think it might be a keeper.
That's a nice ling. Do you need a tape measure, Brian? Okay. Was that a keeper, Brian?
Yeah.
Right on.
Nice.
We are all on the board, guys. I forgot to check what time it came out, but we weren't. I think we must have jigged for like maybe 20 minutes, and we are all on the board already. That is pretty cool. Oh man. First lure gone. Oh, there we go. There we go, man. Took it on a drop. There we go, guys. Nice rockfish. Nice rockfish. There we go. Oh. Buddy, number 2, guys. Number 2. There we go. Keeper. Think he's kind of small, a little bit smaller than the last one. Well, actually we keep it just in case, you know. Could turn out to be a slow day. So number 2 in the boat. Let's get some more. Oh man. There we go. There's a good one, guys. There's a good one. There we go. There's a nice fish. There's a little bit bigger. Probably about 2 1/4, I think. We are killing it right here, man. Okay. Whoa. They're right here.
You got it.
There we go. About a 2-pounder. Got him. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah. Oh man. That's a rockfish?
Yeah, it's probably like 3 pounds.
Yeah, that's a good size. I'm marking them all over here. Hey Brian. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh man. Oh jeez. What? Oh man, that's my second lure. What is going on? How big was he?
Oh, probably like a pound.
Did you let him go?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm just trying to keep rockfish.
okay.
Yo.
Oh, that's a greenling?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I lost 2 lures already.
That one that I lost, man, that thing was huge.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, they're just like right here. I'm marking them all over the grass.
Okay.
Nice. Oh, man.
The second big one that I lost.
Yeah?
That's a big one, too.
Was that a rockfish?
Yeah, it was a rockfish.
Man.
Yeah, you're using a much smaller bait than I'm using. I got big ones. Yeah.
Oh, no. Another snag. Come on, don't. There we go. Oh. Did you have one on, Brian?
No, it was just weeds.
Okay. You snag up?
Yeah, but I can see it right here.
Did he get caught on a kelp? Uh-oh. Oh, man. Oh, Jesus. That was a hit. That was a massive hit, guys. I missed that one. That was a massive hit.
Yeah, I guess I should have brought my fish finder.
What's that?
I said, I guess I should have brought my fish finder. Would have been nice.
Yeah. What kind do you have?
A Garmin.
I lost 2 lures so far.
I was thinking about trying a grub with a big tail on it.
Yeah, those will work. Man, every time I lose these lures, I Part of me died. Like, they're not cheap.
Oh yeah. All right.
There you, oh, I saw that rod go down. Holy smokes.
That was a fish. Yeah.
Yeah, that was a nice one. The day is young.
That was a big fish.
Yeah, that was a nice one. Plenty more.
Now, did he say the cabins are open now? Or
Yeah, the cabezon's open.
must be 16 inches or something?
16, yes. We were here last time and we caught 2 or 3 nice ones. 20 something inches. I never had them before. People tell me their meat is really mushy. Yeah. All right, got to switch lure. Oh, yep, that's it right there. Oh, oh man. Gosh, that was a good one, guys. Shoot. Son of a gun. Right as I dropped down the bucktail. Right as I dropped it down, he took it. Oh, there's another hit. There's another hit. Take it. Take it. Oh, man. Shoot, that was a good fish, too. That was a good fish. Oh, man. That's the second time. They are definitely down there. Yeah, got him that time. Got him that time. Oh. Oh. Come on. You are not coming off. Oh, that's a green ling. Nope, it's not a green ling. It is a baby ling. First ling of the day, guys. Baby ling. Yeah. Too small though. A little too small. There we go, guys. First ling of the day for me. I don't think he's gonna measure. He is... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, so close. He's about 1/8 off. There we go. Take a picture. Okay, there we go. Let's let him go. Let's let this guy go. Okay, buddy, it's your lucky day. Boom, there he goes. So that does, he was really close. He was like 1/8 inch off. Oh my God! He surfaced! Holy smokes! Oh, I think I got on camera too. Oh my goodness, man. He came to the surface and got it. Almost got it though. He came to the surface. Holy smokes. That was crazy. Those guys are doing pretty good too on the shore. Yeah.
That's slippery right there.
Yes, it is. We're gonna go right over here to the North Reef. I would love to get one biting my plastic on camera underwater.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah, I can never get it. Every time I come out here, I always mess up. Hopefully today will be successful. Come on. All right, guys, so we are moving north a little bit to the North Reef. The first spot kind of died down a little bit. I was getting kind of consistent hits though. So, ooh, 54. Okay. All right. So we are at the cliff So this is the North Reef. If you look at that point right there, and you look at the buoy, so this imaginary line is where the North Reef is. And when you come on here, you don't want to be on the reef itself because it's only about 10 to 15 feet. It's kind of shallow. So the waves build up quite a bit there. Yeah, so you want to be just right on the cliff, which is where we're at right now. We're sitting in about 55 foot of water, 57 foot. No, I don't see anything, but I do okay here before, even though I didn't see anything.
Yeah, okay.
Did you keep those greenling, Lewis? No? Okay. Which species are you looking to keep?
Rockfish
Rockfish? Okay.
or lingcod.
And lings, yeah. All right, guys, looks like Lewis is on. He just got a ling, I believe. That's what he said. Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus. Yeah?
Just right beside.
Was there one or two?
There were two.
That was so cool.
He got a keeper ling at just over.
Okay, very cool. Very awesome. All right, gonna go back to that cliff over here. There's another whale over there. I guess I need to focus on fishing. Just lost another lure.
Oh, really?
The day's not complete until I lose like 2 or 3 lures. I was too busy recording the whale. It's all right, that's how it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's right in the kelp, guys. Whoa, look at that. That is crazy. That is gnarly, guys. Okay, guys, so we have slowed down quite a bit. It's been over an hour since my last bite, and usually it's like that. It starts off really good and then it slows down. They just tend to bite more during the dark hours, like early morning. As the day gets brighter, they bite less. Any hits here?
I got one small one.
Okay. Louis, how many lure have you lost so far today? 3? Same here. 3. Kind of make me want to cry each time because they're like $7-8 each.
Yeah, I mean, that's how it is out here.
Yeah.
You know?
It's not like the rooster tail, you know?
Yeah. How many fish do you have?
I have 3 rockfish. Oh man, that bird. He surfaced right in front of the kayak, poor guy. He was startled. I was startled. Okay, we're coming up to the first spot. Oh, there is. There's one. Finally, man, that's a long lull. Feels good. Feels like a keeper. Feels like a... Oh, no, I snagged it. That is a... that's a greenling. That's a greenling, guys. Beautiful greenling. Beautiful. Where are my gloves? Okay, don't shake. Let me put on my gloves and then to help you out. Don't shake, Mr. Greenling. You shake, you're in trouble. No, 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 don't shake. There we go. Oh man, beautiful greenling. Check that out. Wow. Boom, there he goes. Okay, now that I know they're here, let me try to get a underwater shot. But first, let's catch a couple more. You on, Brian? Nice. Double. Yeah, that's what we like. Triple maybe? Come on. Triple? Did Brian lose it? No, he got it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Another one, guys. Finally. Oh, yeah. Please be a rockfish. Please be a... Oh, that's a nice rockfish. That's a nice rockfish. Oh, yes. Probably about 2.5. Not that big. Haven't had a long bite, so I switched to a Castmaster. And this little puppy fell for it. Okay, buddy. Nice little rockfish on the Castmaster.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo! Hold that up. Hold that up. Let's see that. All right. Nice. That's a hog.
Literally first cast.
Yeah, man.
Get me on a big bait because I want a big lingcod. Yeah.
I'm gonna come and see that fish, man. That's a nice rockfish.
This is like 5 pounds. No, like 4 pounds.
You got a scale?
Not bad. I got a scale, yeah. At least 4 pounds, not more.
That's a nice fish. Fish tacos tonight.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That's almost a limit right there.
holy moly. Yeah, I'm gonna have you hold that up. Let's see that puppy. Oh man. Very nice. Big old hog. Good job.
Bet you didn't catch one like that on the jetty.
Yeah, like I was saying to, oh,
Got one.
we got one. Oh man, let me get a,
Might be nice too.
yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Need it, you need a net. Oh, I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh, dude, hold on. Hold on. Oh my goodness. I'm coming. Oh, I'm gonna ram you. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh no! Oh, dude.
Oh my.
I'm so sorry. I was just too far out. Shoot, that's swim bait? Man, I was too far out. I couldn't reach. I'm sorry, Louis.
I think it would have lost it probably if I didn't have the net.
Oh. Oh, man.
Barely.
Shoot.
That thing was big.
He was. Let me see that.
Big hammer.
Okay. All right. I gotcha. That was my bad.
No, it's all good.
No. It's just the kayak kept on going and got me further and further from the
Yeah.
ling.
Is that it?
Shoot.
What was it, a ling?
Yeah, that was a huge one.
Oh, wow.
Probably what, maybe like 30?
Yeah. Shoot, man.
Huh. I saw the head, it looked pretty big.
Yeah, it was big.
Oh, man. Okay. Son of a gun. That's a nice ling. Oh, I feel bad now. Redemption trip coming up.
I think it was last week.
Yeah?
Bigger than that. It was probably like 4 feet long.
Wow.
And just being on the rocks, it's so hard, you know,
Yeah.
with all the tides coming in. Yeah, that one was heartbreaking. I'm used to losing fish off the jetty all the time.
Oh, man. No, I need to work on my netting. Son of a gun.
Yeah, I gotta get a shorter rod.
What's that?
I gotta get a shorter rod.
Yeah.
This one's a little too long. It's my shortest ocean one.
Yeah, when you're doing this, you want a shorter rod. This is a 6.6.
Okay.
I think this is perfect, a 6.6.
Yeah.
Man, oh man, I can't believe I netted that wrong. That's all there is. Redemption trip coming. Oh man, that sucks so bad. I feel like crap now. That was a huge ling.
It's always the big ones.
He was a big one.
Moved to Arizona because our kids all moved to Arizona for some reason. But we still live in the road.
Oh no, holy shoot. Oh man, that was a massive bite. I fell asleep. Oh. Oh man. Huh?
It wasn't near the surface.
It was near the surface actually because he took it right as it landed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's how I got that black rock, that big one.
Yeah. It was weird because when I cast it out, because usually you see the line keep moving because the lure is falling, but then it stopped. I'm like, that's weird. And then my rod just bent. Like, oh man, I can't believe I missed that. Try it again. Come on, buddy. One more time. It's got a sore mouth probably. Shoot. Fell asleep. Oh, is that a fish? Is that one? Yeah, there we go. There we go. They're right behind you, Brian. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. He looks big. He's actually not that big. Dang it. Here we go, guys. Ling number something. I don't know if it's gonna measure. He inhaled that. Look at this. Holy smokes. I gotta be careful. If he is not legal, then I don't want to kill him. Let's measure him first. He's gotta be 22. He is super close. Man, are you 22 or not? Are you 22? Oh, back you go. Lucky day. Woo! So close, no cigar. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, that's a big rockfish. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yeah. About a 3.5 maybe. Holy moly. Oh, come here, buddy. Right there, man. Yeah. Let's weigh this puppy. Check that out, guys. He is 4 pounds, 7 ounce. Yeah. Nice. Well, what do you guys think?
We're ready.
Lewis? Okay.
How big do you think that was?
I think he's around, I'm guessing 30 inches.
30 inches?
Yeah, probably around 7 poundish.
Yeah.
I'm not good at guessing though. So, how many did you get, Brian? With my luck, I'm going to drop that fish in the water. That would be bad.
Nothing big.
Yeah. See,
That's all right.
is my mic still working? Please still work. Yes, almost out of battery too. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. All right, guys, we are at the end of our trip. I had a great time. Lewis, Brian, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
The first Oregon Live Kayak get together was a success.
Yes, sir.
And Lewis, I owe you a big one. I'm sorry. I lost a
It's all
really
good.
big ling.
All good.
I tried to net it. I was a little too far from the fish. So, redemption trip coming up. Stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's hold up my fish. Look at this bad boy. We all caught fish. So it was a calm day, no wind at all, still no wind, still calm. But we got some fish tacos for tonight. I want to thank you guys for coming. I had a great time.
Thank you.
We will do it again.
All right.
Okay? Yeah,
Thank you, PK. That was wonderful.
awesome.
Yes, it was.
Yeah. All right, guys, I had a great time. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Have fun fishing. Tight lines. All right.